Oh my God, are you okay?
Hey dude, you can sue!
Welcome to court's attorney of law.
I was going for a casual morning stroll, as I do every day, and I slipped and fell on the sidewalk of Trevor Rhodes.
If you would like me to represent you in the court of law, my hourly wage is $100.
But I can't afford that.
Times are tough. There's nothing I can do.
Alright, well thank you for your time.
Alright, well I'm at Bryce Hanson's house. He accidentally slipped on my sidewalk earlier, and you know I can't pay for a trial. I don't want to be going to court for this, so I'm gonna see if he'd be willing to settle with me out of court. So I can't pay that kind of money. Hey Bryce, hey, look, I'm really sorry for what happened yesterday. I mean, I didn't mean for that. I'm really sorry you slipped, and you know, I mean, I'm pretty short on money these days, and I don't think that I'm going to be able to pay for a trial or even a court hearing, so you think that maybe we'll be able to settle this out of court?
Sure, come on in.
Thank you, sir.
I need $2,500 for all my medical expenses.
You know, $2,500 is kind of a lot. I don't think I'm going to be able to pay that, so do you think maybe just be able to do $2,000?
How about $2,250?
$2,250, yeah, I could do that. Thank you. Thanks for not bringing this to court. You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
And for page 6, where it says business communication services, is that for our company or is that the adjacent one?
It appears that is for our company.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did. Where was it from?
I don't know, I think it's in the business office.
I'll go check it out.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Are you supposed to be in here?
Bryce.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, through video evidence and witness testimony, I will prove that Trevor Rhodes is guilty of second-degree murder and burglary.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my client Trevor Rhodes is not guilty of these charges.
Will the defendant like to enter a plea at this time?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Will the prosecution like to call any witnesses to the stand?
The prosecution would like to call Austin Gregg to the stand. Did you see Trevor Rhodes on the night of March 10th, 2012?
Yes, I saw him fleeing the scene.
Could you explain the events that occurred?
Yes, me and my partner Tyler Korth were sitting in our conference room discussing just regular stuff we do on a daily basis, and we heard something outside of our room. So he went to check it out, and by the time I got out there, he was laying dead. So I ran and I tried to make a phone call, and as I was there, I heard Trevor Rhodes running past, and I saw him fleeing the scene.
No further questions, Your Honor.
The defendant may question the witness.
Did you see Trevor Rhodes shoot Tyler Korth that night?
No.
No further questions.
You gotta have something more than that.
The prosecution would like to call Trevor Rhodes to the stand. Where were you on the night of March 10th?
Well, I was just at my house watching a movie and I made a pizza.
What movie were you watching?
Why does that have to do with anything? Jaws?
Have you ever seen this weapon before?
No.
Well, your fingerprints were all over it. No further questions, Your Honor. By this evidence, we have proven that Trevor Rhodes is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, The fate of this young man's life rests in the hands of your decision. If the glove does not fit, you must acquit.
Will the jury please go deliberate?
We, the jury, find Trevor Rhodes guilty on all accounts.
The state of Texas sends Trevor Rhodes to death.